Okay, so now this time we are going to check what's blowing in the wind, so what you can find in the wind and what the wind is carrying. You will need petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline, plastic lid or a paper plate. I have a paper plate, and yarn or string, of course, pair of scissors, always good. And now what you have to do is punch a hole in your plastic lid. Now we are going to put a string here. The last part of making this experiment is to put the petroleum jelly onto the plastic lid or paper plate. And then the last part for you is to hang it somewhere outside, leave it for a few hours, and then see what will stick here, if anything will stick here, and write it in your observation.